How to build team camaraderie and still deliver projects. We are facing unprecedented times, and businesses across the globe have to adapt rapidly to the new challenges presented by the evolving COVID-19 pandemic. Projects still have to be delivered. Working from home will become the norm and in many instances the necessity for the well-being of workers. The following are tips for working from home with remote teams, to still achieve project success, help better regulate time and improve ability to collaborate, even with people in different time zones. One thing is the daily Scrum. Scrum is a framework for working in a more agile fashion, which means faster and more iterative. An essential part of Scrum is the daily Scrum, a meeting where the team gets together and briefly states what they did yesterday and what they are doing today. If forced to work from home, then a workstation would need to be set up, a quiet location away from family to ensure concentration. Therefore, find a private place, preferably with a door that can be closed, so there is space and silence necessary to work. Ensure there is a good desk, chair, computer, lighting, etc., just like it would be expected in a work office. It is suggested to keep regular hours when working from home. By setting a schedule and sticking to it, at least most of the time, it will give the day more structure. With structure comes discipline and, believe it or not, most will need more discipline without the group modeling productive behaviors. So, follow the same morning routine every day to get in the right mindset, have lunch at the normal time and take periodic breaks, but act as if the boss is watching. Go outside. It might sound counterintuitive with a pandemic, but leaving home is important. It is possible to go stir-crazy being locked in a house. That's not going to help with productivity. Stay sharp by diversifying your downtime. Finally, take advantage of your home office. Instead of taking a break and chatting with a coworker, do the laundry, prep for dinner or take a break to read. That doesn't mean slacking off on work responsibilities, but rather managing time wisely. Set deadlines. Tracking a team's progress with one of the online tools found in projectmanagementcompanion.com and daily Scrum meetings will also help, but there are other things that can be done to make sure the team is focused and staying productive when working from home. For example, set more aggressive deadlines for the team and assign them concrete tasks. This will promote productivity. For information about working remotely or other aspects of project management, please visit us at projectmanagementcompanion.com. Stay safe and all the very best.